Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 3rd, 2022. Today, adjective idiom game. These are idioms, which are groups of words, but they all work like an adjective. Just think of them as long adjectives. Let's begin. Number 1, you are. Speak Spanish. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This means you can speak Spanish. Able to. You are able to speak Spanish. The basic form is be able to do something. Jennifer's back hurts. She is. Back is a body part. This means her back is sore. In pain. She's in pain. The basic form, be in pain. Bob needs to go to the gym. He's overweight. He hasn't exercised very much lately. Out of shape. He's out of shape. Is Jennifer her sister? This means, is Jennifer's height equal to her sister's height? As tall as. Is Jennifer as tall as her sister? And this is just an example. We use tall as an example. You could use any adjective, as big as strong as. Be as tall as somebody. And it's used for many adjectives. Tall is just one example. The cup is water. This means there is very much water in the cup. Full of. The cup is full of water. Be full of something. We use it for real things like water in the cup, and we also use it as a metaphor. Let's buy a TV. They are today. This means the prices of the TVs are lower today than usual. The prices are low because the TVs are on sale. They are on sale today. The basic form is for a product to be on sale. We only use this for merchandise in business. Are you? Use this computer? It means, do you have permission? Allowed to. Are you allowed to use this computer? The basic form, be allowed to do something. And we use this one in the negative a lot. We say, Bob's not allowed to do that. Are you? The magazine? The person was reading the magazine, and now the other person wants to read it. It means, have you finished reading it for now? Done with. Are you done with the magazine? Equals, are you finished with the magazine? Be done with something means you've finished using it for now. Bob was sick and in bed, but now he is. This means he's walking around, he's active. Up and about. He is up and about. The basic form is be up and about. We also say be up and around. Be in bed is another adjective idiom. It's not in our program. The words in the dictionary are, this means the ones that begin with A are at the beginning, and then B, and then C. In alphabetical order. The words in the dictionary are in alphabetical order. The basic form, be in alphabetical order. And for this one, you could also do something in alphabetical order. Game over! That was lots of fun. How did you do? 10 out of 10? That's great! How do you spell your name? Are you able to speak English well? Are you in pain now? Are you out of shape or are you in good shape? Are you as tall as your parents, your mom and your dad? Whoa, you're doing very well. See you next time, everybody. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye.